Thank you so much for joining us for the news at 5. I'm Aliana Gomez.
And I'm Jamie Tompkins. We begin our coverage in Tacoma, where warming shelters are opening and crews are doing their best to try to clear those roads.
And that's where we find our Frankie Thompson tonight. Frankie, what are the conditions like out there?
Yeah, the main streets and the secondary streets here in Tacoma have been plowed at least once, but there's still plenty of work to do trying to clean up from Sunday's snowfall. We are at the salt barn for the Department of Public Works. All day, crews and their plow trucks have been in and out of here trying to safely clear the streets as fast as possible. It's day 2 for crews clearing about 4 inches of snow in Tacoma.
It came on top of us pretty quick in a couple hours.
Public Works has 34 crew members working 12-hour shifts to clear a path and treat the streets, and they're paving the way for the next possible snowfall.
Give them room to work. Don't try to squeeze by them in that extra lane that's got snow in it. Prepare yourself the night before. If you know you have to travel for work or some other reason, put on your cables, have your car fueled up, have emergency blankets, those things ready to go.
Those who don't have those emergency items and need warm shelter can stop by the Rise Center. The team has a warming shelter available 24 hours a day.
Gloves for children, adults. We have beanies, hats. I just like to see people receive the resources they need, the love that they deserve, and the care that is valuable to them to survive and live.
Executive Director Gerald Daniels says they're also doing outreach, connecting with those that are homeless to bring them inside, out of the frigid temperatures.
Being able to have this resource in a community with people they're familiar with makes it very valuable for us to reach out to them and let them know that they're here because they welcome and embrace being here.
Those who want to be outdoors say it's a snow day they've been waiting for.
I really like building snowmen, and I also like throwing big chunks of snow. Let's go really fast.
I've had a year and a half of coronavirus. It's nice to just get out and feel like we can do something fun outside.
It's all fun and games, but safety is still priority. And that means layering up to stay warm.
Keep moving, that's one.
Okay.
Gotta keep running up the hill. Hot chocolate.
These mittens.
What else do you have?
Some rain pants.
Very good. Staying warm, getting back to business here. The managers here at Department of Public Works say they're going to continue monitoring the weather, and they say they're also going to continue plowing the streets and treating them in preparation for a possible next snowfall later this week. In the meantime, the warming center at the Rise Center is open now 24 hours through this Friday morning. It closes at 8 a.m. Anyone looking for a hot meal, some warm clothes, or a safe place to stay is welcome there. Reporting live in Tacoma, Frankie Thompson, Fox 13 News.